like this leash of park for dogs because my dog can run here and it's a very big park, but also I can find here a couple stones. My dog is so happy to be here. There's so many dogs and he likes to play, he likes to run. It's a very big park, like a forest. But also there is a river where I can get some stones for my painting. Very beautiful area. The stones here quite flat, but the shape is not perfect. Anyway, you can find some nice stones here too. These stones are not perfect, but I still get a few flat ones, so it's not bad actually. But for better quality of stones I need to go to the lake. So every minute the plane is taking off over there. Every minute. Well, it seems a little bit noisy, but you know, it's just life. Just enjoy the weather, the nature, and some rest, and some relaxation, and some probably meditation among the dogs. So that's why I love this place. I have a bag of stones, I have some relaxation, I have a happy dog, and I have a happy husband, and I'm happy. So here in the box I still have different types of stones, like different colors I got from the beach of Ontario Lake. So first you have to wash it very well, even soaked in warm, lukewarm water with a little bit of soap, clean it and dry it, because there's some sand and dirt, and actually the soap is very good to dissolve some dirt. And then